Hey guys, so I'm just going to teach you how you can share a post on your Instagram stories and also change the background. So this is for people who have a specific theme and they just want to follow that all the way through on their stories as well. And I'm just going to get started. So what you're going to have to do is go on your app store and search for the app Over. And I already have it downloaded, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click open. Once your app opens, this is what it's gonna look like, and what I'm gonna do next is click on the yellow button in the middle, and then you click on the transparent background and you scroll towards the story background, the 1080 times 1920 template, and you click the check mark at the top, and then you're gonna click on the image, and it already opens it onto Unsplash for me. But if it doesn't do that for you, you can just slide and it's gonna take you towards whatever you want to pick your photos from. But I personally love Unsplash just because it has really high quality images. And I'm just gonna search a keyword that I would like, and it brings up a bunch of photos that you can choose from. I personally like this one right here, the green plant. And once that's done, you click the check mark button and you can resize your photo. So once you're done resizing, you click on the photo again and you click edit. And then you scroll all the way to the bottom. We're gonna look for mask, and mask is right here. So we click that, and then you click on this white button right here, and you make a square shape in the middle of the picture. So I'm just gonna crop out a square. So after cropping out the square, you press the check mark button, and then you click the yellow button to share. And what I like to do is I like to go on more, and then I click copy. And then I go back to Instagram, and on Instagram I click the post I want to share, and then I click on the page and I press and hold on the cursor and I click paste. So what that does is it pastes the photo you copied from Over on your story. And then I click inside that square and I resize my posts. So this would not work if you make a circle. It works perfectly, and you can just click on your post and resize it, and you can post, and that's it. Very easy. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along?